Hi there, ladies. Happy Cyber Day. Hope you're all off the road and inside. It's looks super messy out there. So for your Cyber Day assignment, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start practicing tessellations. It's gonna be our next project that will start this week. And tessellations are actually really simple. It's essentially just a shape that fits into itself. So for instance, a square is gonna align with itself very easily. You can see it just matches up so easily right there. And then other examples of regular shapes that are also tessellations would be an equilateral triangle or a hexagon, and you can see how they just automatically fit into each other. We're going to do more complicated tessellations, but they're not really that much more complicated. There's essentially three types. There's a translation method, a rotation method, and a reflection method. Translation in this instance means to slide, and you'll see what I mean in a second. We're going to practice with this one first. It's by far the easiest. Um, and you'll actually make two of them for your Cyber Day assignment. So you start by just getting a clean piece of paper and making a square. My example is 3 inches by 3 inches, but as long as you make it a square, any size is really going to be fine for this. And then you cut out your square. And then the next thing you're going to do is draw a line that goes from one corner to the other corner. It's going to be very important that your design starts and ends in a corner, and has to be like on the one side of your square. The next thing you're going to do is on an adjacent corner, and that just means like one that's next to. You're going to make another design that goes from corner to corner. Again, really important that it goes to a corner. So then you have a square that has two designs on it. You're going to, step 5 is you're going to cut out your design. And for step 6, what you do is you take your design and you slide it across the opposite side. So you slide it across and then you tape it. That's all you do. Steps 7 and 8 are the same for the other side. You just cut out your one side, you slide it across, and you put a piece of tape. Super simple. Then what you're going to do is you're going to, I just flipped my piece of paper over just so it was a little cleaner looking. You're going to think about what kind of object you could make your shape into, because now you have this funny little shape. And if you ever like to look at clouds and try and imagine things in the clouds, this could be really fun for you. If you find that activity kind of difficult, then this might also be like the more challenging part of this assignment. But you want to come up with something like an object, an animal, a person, something that could use up all the space. And then draw your inside details. Like for this, I made it into a bunny with an inside ear, an eye, nose, a thigh. Not very complicated, a couple toes. You're going to see it's going to be a little strange looking. It's not going to be a perfect replication of whatever object it is. You have to kind of force it. But that's the fun part of this. And then once we're in school later on this week, we're going to take these ones that we made, we're going to upload them to Adobe, and you'll see how if you did all the steps, they just super well fit into each other, and they make a really cool pattern. So for today, what I want you ladies to do is make 2 examples of translation tessellations and bring them into class on Tuesday. And that's it. Enjoy your Cyber Day.